Hi, I'm Matt with Jupiter Bike. Today we're going to be unboxing a Discovery X7. Let's get things underway. A few simple tools needed: set of snips, some type of blade. Not much to do here. We're just going to remove everything from the top of the bike as we see it. X7 weighing in just at 40 pounds. It's not very much to lift out by itself. Bike's out, we're going to close it up. We'll already have the kickstand installed to help us stand the bike up. And then we'll go ahead and we'll remove all of our packaging materials. Once the handlebars are unwrapped, we're going to open the quick release latch, allowing the handlebars to rotate freely. This takes the tension off the wires, so we can now stand up the handlebar stem, lock it into place. We're going to install the seat. With the latch closed, the seat's still loose. We're going to adjust that by tightening the nut on this side. Give her a couple spins. Now it's nice and tight. Quick seat on the bike, and we'll get our handlebars centered. Give them an angle that feels comfortable. I like the brakes down just a little bit in front of me, and then I'm going to lock these handlebars. That lock was a little bit loose, so same as the seat post. We're going to open the latch, give a few turns on the adjustment, and now we've got it nice and tight. Fenders we mentioned earlier when we were taking out of the box. Our last piece to install here. Smaller fenders for the front, larger fenders for the rear, and it's just going to require a Phillips screwdriver to take care of this. So the Phillips head is right behind on the back of the rear front fork. Screw is in there a little bit tight. They do put thread lock on it. It can be a little strenuous getting it out the first time. Yep. Back in. Let's see. Fenders installed. Powering the bike on. Give a good systems check here real quick. And we'll go ahead and check the headlight by powering on the headlight. Checking the horn. You can pull the throttle and see the rear wheel move. You can also check the pedal assist by turning the pedals and waiting for the wheel to engage. This is Matthew with Jupiter Bike, and this is the Discovery X7. A little bit of air in these tires, and we're ready to ride.